Computador Intel? Então ele é só uma caixa. Eu mereço Intel.
The National Weather Service issued the Super Hurricane Alberto. The wind speed is expected to be 240 miles per hour or. It is estimated that it will make landfall in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and New York. The U.S. government issued that there is a chance it will flood half of Florida. And it is predicted that the hurricane wind speed is going to rise by the high temperature in the ocean and will make landfall. NOAA have also issued it will make landfall at 270 miles per hour. And is estimated to make the first landfall in Florida. There are some information inside Hurricane Alberto. If you have a basement or nearby bunkers, take shelter on the place. Get good amounts of water, canned foods, energy drinks, battery bank and torch if electricity goes out. If you have your loved ones, kids, wife or husband or your pet, take them in the shelter immediately before it's too late. You have only 4 days in shelter. Follow the instructions as you have 4 days or it's too late. Thank you for our collaboration.
Same with Haiti and Cuba. That's a lot of rain. This storm has 3 parts. Obviously, the winds. We know they're very strong. It's a Category 5, might diminish to a Category 4. We also have to talk about the waves. The waves hitting the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, could be 20 feet in height. And let's talk about the tide. The tide could be anywhere from west-northwest at 26 kilometers an hour. This is a to the east of Hurricane Irma. It is moving to the west-northwest at about 26 kilometers an hour.
The National Hurricane Center that Hurricane Alberto will make landfall in Florida and Virginia in 2 days. The wind speed on landfall will be expected to be 260 miles per hour, and it was said that Florida will flood half of the state. For your safety, please follow our information in order to be safe. If you live in Florida or coastal area on Florida, please take shelter immediately, as there is available shelter in place in Ohio. If you live in Virginia, South Carolina, or North Carolina, take shelter in bunkers or on your basement. As of Virginia, the wind speed in landfall will expected to be as high as 230 miles per. If you live in the coastal areas and in Virginia, take shelter in high buildings. If you have your loved ones, please save them, or it's too late. You have only 2 days of evacuation. Take shelter immediately, as of 14th of June in 2007. Thank you for our information. The National Hurricane Center that Hurricane Alberto will make landfall in Florida and Virginia in 2 days. The wind speed on landfall will be expected to be 260 miles per hour. And it was said that Florida will flood half of the state. For your safety,
Please follow our information in order to be safe. If you live in Florida or coastal area of Florida, please take shelter immediately, as there is available shelter.
Hurricane Alberto is going to make landfall in
The National Weather Service issued the hurricane and a meteorological event caused the temperature to drop by 20 degrees. Also, there is an unidentified figure caused by the hurricane winds and water, creating a giant-like substance that tends to be a living creature.